time for Disneyland. You can take the little bakery tour, and at the end of it, they give you a little piece of sourdough. And right now, we're gonna go to the Gary Deli store because they give you a little free piece of chocolate. Yum, yum. If you didn't know, you can only get alcohol drinks in California Adventure, not Disneyland. So, taking advantage before we go to Disneyland. Never noticed King Triton on top of there until today. Is the way to go. We seriously just walked right up. Sure. This is how many people are in line in front of us. I got on with my friend. Oh my gosh. That was so good. That was good. Let's go. To scan your Disney ticket to use your Fast Pass. Interesting. We just went soaring through the world, so different than soaring through California. Loved it. It was super cool. And now we're on our way to get a pumpkin churro because a s'mores churro was just not enough. There's little ghosties sprinkles on this. So cute. That's yummy too. I think, do you like s'mores better? I like s'mores better too, but that's still good. Still good, s'mores is better. Agreed. It's time for Disneyland. Stormtroopers! So Space Mountain is now Ghost Galaxy. We just spotted another churro sour apple. It has to happen. Oh my gosh. They give you a caramel dipping sauce. It's real yummy. It's two different colors. Not good. Not good. Gotta get to the bottom of that. Doing single rider on Splash Mountain. I'm gonna get soaked, I know it. There goes my friend. There she goes. I'm gonna get soaked. I know it. I know it. I got a little wet. Not as wet as I could have gotten, so I'm good. Went on Pirates of the Caribbean, and there were rough seas ahead at the very end. We were almost off the ride and we got stuck. We were there for probably like 5 minutes, just sitting in the boats, back to back with the other boats. It's good times. I do love that ride though. We are on our way out of Disneyland, and every time I leave Disneyland, I have to get a caramel apple because they're the best. I also got a little peak pop. What'd you get? S'mores. Goodbye, Disneyland. It's been fun. You may voyage to the edge of the frontier today. The passenger car is only a willingness to join others in astonishment. The wonders that lay before you. Be well.